Ever notice how when someone yawns, suddenly everyone else turns into a sleepy opera singer? That's not just your imagination. Yawning is wildly contagious. Scientists think it's all about our brains playing copycat. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons light up and say, "Hey, that looks like fun!" Boom, instant yawn. Even dogs and chimps catch yawns from their buddies. So next time you're in a meeting and someone yawns, brace yourself. You're about to join the world's weirdest, sleepiest flash mob.